ladies and gentlemen, introducing the UFC featherweight champion of the world, the notorious Conor McGregor! Official weight, 168 for Mr. McGregor. And his opponent, Nate Diaz. Official weight, 170 and a half for Mr. Diaz. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with the UFC featherweight champion, Conor McGregor. Conor, this is a huge fight, perhaps the most important fight of your career. Give us your thoughts on this rematch.
He should have killed me when he had the chance, because now I'm back, and I'm going to kill you and your whole fucking team. You and them bitch tits.
I'm here with Nate Diaz, ladies and gentlemen. Nate, give us your thoughts on this fight and what this rematch means to you.
I train always hard to kill. He already dead from the last time. This is a new guy. So it's kill or be killed again. USA, motherfuckers!
Nate Diaz, ladies and gentlemen! We'll see you all tomorrow night.